Hello, my beautiful besties. It's your girl Nelly. If you're part of my nail crew, welcome back. And if you're not, consider subscribing right now and become part of my amazing nail crew. For today's video, we have nail mail. So I am very excited about that. I did make some purchases. I have not received everything, but I did wanted to show you what I've received so far. So I did make a purchase from Melody Susie, and I want these press-ons. If you guys know me, you guys know that I'm not into press-ons at all. They are very beautiful. I love the shape. I love the color. However, I'm not going to be using these. So this is going to go in the giveaway box for the future giveaway. Now, this next package was sent to me. This is a nail sister mail by Tammy's Nail Techniques, and I was not expecting this. So thank you so much for your love and support. You didn't have to do this, but I am very grateful. So I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. So here it is. I'm going to start by opening this little bag right here. And in this bag, here is her business card. She has a YouTube here, a YouTube channel here on YouTube. It is the same name, Tammy's Nail Techniques. That's her business card, like I said. She did write a nice little message there for me. So I am very grateful for your love and support too. So thank you so much for this. I was not expecting this package at all. Actually, I had sent hubby to check my my PO box, and it was just there aside from other things that I had purchased. Here are some beautiful charms, and there's a little bit of everything. We have rhinestones, we have roses, bows, butterflies, and a little hand. Look at that. That is super cute. I am recording this video and it's super early as usual. I had to get this done and over with and get it out of the way because I will be doing some Halloween sets after this. So this will kind of explain some of the items that I'll be using in future videos. And that's the reason why I had to do this. So in the package, there was a second package, but before I open that package, let me just show you the other stickers that she sent me. For those of you who love to see the stickers that we receive from small businesses, she does have her own business. And she sells candles. She sells a bunch of stuff. So definitely check her out. I will have her channel link in the description box so you can check out her content. I have learned a lot from her. And then there was this second package, and this one really had me curious because, again, I wasn't expecting this. So I didn't know what she sent me. But, you know, it is very, very beautiful, and I am very grateful. I believe this is a candle. She makes beautiful candles, y'all. Like, you really should check her out. And it's in blue, but the best color ever, my favorite color. So thank you so much, Tammy. Thank you so much. So this is the reason why I did this video. I made this purchase from Nikki, or just Nikki here on YouTube. She has her own business, and I've known Nikki for a while now, and I kind of gave her a challenge, and let me tell you, she came through, okay? She came through. So thank you so much, Nikki. I'm going to open this first package. This is her business card. In case you guys are interested, definitely check out her website. She sells bracelets, resin items, keychains, bags, seasonal bags with glitter. These are the bracelets that I have purchased from her, and they are great quality. So I went ahead and I purchased 3 more, and I couldn't wait. I had to put them on. Like, I had to wear them. So here they are. They're very beautiful. They're great quality. I wear them all the time, and they are perfect. They are really, really great quality. So definitely check her out. But check out this. Oh my God. This is my moment. Thank you so much for doing this for me. So she has been playing with the idea of transfer decals, and she has done some transfer decals. I actually received some not too long ago from one of my purchases, but I needed some Halloween decals, and she didn't have anything like that available on her website. And she asked me what was I looking for. So I said, well, I want to do a Corpse Bride set. I want to do a Nightmare Before Christmas, and I also want to do a Beetlejuice. Look at Jack, they're so handsome. So my girl came through. Like, I am very impressed. I'm so thankful. Thank you so much for doing this for me. She does have them available on her website, so definitely check her out. The next part of this haul is from Amazon. Now, I'm still waiting on some items. These are some glow in the dark powders because it is Halloween season, and I like to use a lot of glow in the dark. This is a pack of reflective glitter. As you can see, once I turn on the flash, you're able to see the reflectiveness. I did purchase two because I'm not exactly sure how many colors I'll be mixing this year for Halloween season. So definitely stay tuned for that. So this is another purchase from Amazon. These are just some more metal embellishments. I love using these on my sets, especially with my bling application. And I love the fact that it came with some silver one. However, as you can see in the package, some spilled out and I was having a little bit of anxiety, so I put them aside. So let me tell you, your girl does not read when she's buying. She just goes by the picture, which is not a good thing. Let me just start with that story right now, okay? And it has an explanation. I really don't read what the hell I'm buying. So I did not know that this was a 2-pack. And I found that amazing because I love these rings. I use them all the time. And the fact that I have two sizes now makes it even better. Now this was okay. Let me tell you what had happened. So what had happened was I was searching for chameleon flakies to make some, again, Halloween mixes. And in the pictures, they looked huge. But again, your girl did not read the size of the jars. They are gorgeous. I'm not gonna lie. As you can see, they are beautiful and I cannot wait to use these. However, it was quite disappointing the size. Like, I was expecting something a little bit bigger. And I think this is why I usually, when it comes to stuff like this, I like to go to AliExpress because Amazon be lying with those pictures, okay? So now let's start with the AliExpress haul. So I did purchase some items. There are some items that are still on the way. I just wanted to get this video done because I will be having a dental procedure and I'll probably won't be able to talk for a few days. So I need to get this done and over with. I found this no wipe bling gel. So we're going to test this one out. You guys know that I love my LGNPRO, but I came across this one and I was like, let me just give this one a try and see what happens. So let's see what happens with that in the future, bestie. I will definitely let you know when I use it and I'll let you know the outcome. So this package right here, this purchase was made because of Momo. She's freaking awesome. I love her. So she purchased these I don't even know what to call them. They're like cotton sheets or some sort. They're meant to be placed on your dust collector and they're very, very thin. I was having such a hard time just trying to pull one out so that I could show you how thin they are. And you're going to see how little patience I have because I don't know what made me take them out of the bag. And as you know, once you take something out of a bag, it's almost impossible to put it the right way. So I just stuff it in there and call it a day. Okay. Okay. So I cannot wait to use these. I know it's going to be very, very helpful now that I have a dust collector from Melody Susie. And this package right here, bestie, I left the best for last. So I came across these beautiful rhinestones. Now, let me go back to explaining what had happened. So this first package right here, they're just some butterflies that I came across. And you guys know, no, I'm lying. These ones are drill bits. This one has a story behind it. See, what had happened was I had one of these 5-in-1 fine drill bits. These ones are extra fine. So I had done a set one time and I left my drill bit placed still on the drill, and my beautiful cat decided to knock it out of my desk and it broke. It literally broke. How the hell does that happen? Like, how does a drill bit break like that? I don't know. So I had to buy two more. So now this is the one with the butterflies, and these butterflies, you guys know I'm obsessed with butterflies. So I thought that these butterflies were more likely to look better for like a Halloween set, maybe because of the shape. So I purchased two of them, two different colors. One is in gold because you guys know your girl is a gold girl all the way. And then the second one that I purchased two of each. The second one that I purchased is the exact same butterfly, but it is a more grayish, kind of gunmetal color, which in my opinion is perfect for Halloween season if you want to incorporate some butterflies. So, again, I purchased these from AliExpress. I'm still waiting on some stuff, like I said, because you know AliExpress. I have a love and hate relationship when it comes to AliExpress because you buy stuff and then sometimes it comes in 2 weeks, sometimes it takes a month. Sometimes I forget what I purchased and then I receive a package and I'm like, oh my God, what is this? Oh, yeah, that thing I purchased like 3 months ago. So here I purchased these flash curing lamps, and these ones are digital. So I did purchase some. They're different though, they're not digital at all. And I do have them in the giveaway bag. So I purchased one for myself and then I purchased two more for the giveaway. So this one is set for 20 seconds if you press it the first time, and then if you press it a second time it'll give you a 60-second count. So I thought it would be great because that way you can keep, kind of an idea of how long your flash curing your charms or your bling. I do have it charging at this very moment because I am planning on using it. And then the other two boxes, I just put them aside for the future giveaway. Now, I think this was the last package, if I'm not mistaken. And like I said, I left the best for last. Again, your girl does not read what she's buying. I'm trying to speak low because it's not even 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm sitting here doing a voiceover. So these are chameleon opal rhinestones. However, check out the size. These are SS6. And I'm not complaining because I will use them and they're still very much gorgeous. However, I was hoping to get a bigger size. I did not read the size at all, which is totally my bad. I should be more careful when it comes to purchasing items, especially from AliExpress. I have officially divorced Temu. I will no longer be making purchases from Temu. I am just putting that out there. I can't not. It is a toxic relationship with Temu. It's a very tricky app and I don't like it. So I rather deal with AliExpress. So again, these are all the colors. This color is absolutely perfect for fall. It's gorgeous. It has this orangey yellow tone. And the fact that they're, because usually when you look up opal rhinestones, you usually get your pink, your white, your blue, and maybe a purple. But these ones just, they melted my heart. Honestly, like I found them so beautiful that I said I have to have them, and that's why I didn't even read the size of the rhinestone. I was just like, oh, they're so beautiful. Click, put in cart, and then boom, purchase. So here is everything I purchased so far. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you want any links to any of these items, let me know in the comment section below and I'll find the link for you. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a like. Leave your comments if you guys have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.